star. Unlike the rocky inner planets, Uranus is composed primarily of ices and gases, making it a fascinating subject for astronomers who study the formation and evolution of giant planets. Its serene blue-green appearance often belies the chaotic and extreme environment that exists within its atmosphere. The discovery of Uranus in 1781 by the British astronomer William Herschel was a landmark event in astronomical history. It was the very first planet to be discovered using a telescope, dramatically expanding the known boundaries of the solar system overnight. Initially, Herschel believed he had found a comet, but further observations revealed it was a new planet. He named it Georgium Sidus, George's star, after King George III, but this name was unpopular outside of England. The scientific community eventually settled on Uranus, after the ancient Greek god of the sky, making it the only planet whose name comes from Greek mythology rather than Roman. The most defining and bizarre feature of Uranus is its extreme axial tilt of approximately 97.77 degrees. Essentially, the planet rotates on its side, almost like a rolling ball as it travels around the Sun. The most widely accepted theory is that a massive collision with an Earth-sized object during the early formation of the solar system knocked the planet off its vertical axis. This unusual tilt creates the most extreme seasonal cycles in the entire solar system. Because Uranus takes 84 Earth years to complete one orbit around the Sun, each of its 4 seasons lasts about 21 Earth years, meaning its poles experience decades of continuous sunlight, followed by decades of total darkness. The planet's striking cyan or blue-green color is one of its most recognizable traits. This distinct hue is caused by the presence of methane gas in its upper atmosphere. Methane is highly efficient at absorbing red wavelengths of light while reflecting blue and green ones back into space. Despite being closer to the Sun than Neptune, Uranus is actually the coldest planet in the solar system, with atmospheric temperatures plunging to a frigid -224 degrees Celsius. The atmosphere is composed mainly of hydrogen and helium, but it also harbors powerful winds that can reach speeds of up to 900 kilometers per hour, racing through the dense, hazy layers of clouds. Much like Saturn, Uranus possesses a ring system, though it is significantly fainter and darker. The planet is encircled by 13 known rings, composed of extremely dark particles that likely contain water ice mixed with organic compounds that have been darkened by radiation. These rings are narrow and were first discovered in 1977 during a stellar occultation. Orbiting the planet is a diverse family of 28 known moons, all named after characters from the works of William Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. The 5 largest moons, Miranda, Ariel, Umbriel, Titania, and Oberon, are particularly intriguing. Miranda is especially famous for its bizarre patchwork surface featuring massive canyons, which suggests a violent geological past involving strong tidal forces. To date, only one spacecraft has ever visited Uranus, NASA's Voyager 2, which flew past in 1986, capturing the first detailed images of the planet, its rings, and its moons. Since then, astronomers have relied on ground-based observatories and space telescopes like Hubble and the James Webb Space Telescope to study the ice giant. These modern instruments have recently detected glowing auroras and dynamic storm systems on Uranus. Currently, Uranus is considered a top priority for future planetary exploration. Space agencies are planning ambitious orbital missions to study its internal structure, mysterious magnetic field, and subsurface oceans on its moons, which could ultimately unlock vital secrets about the icy